I thought that Brian's brimming bucket problem looked very interesting, so I thought I'd give it a go. So here goes. Right, program starts and it says, how many increments do you want for each LED? Right, we'll give it 5. Then, do you want arithmetic or exponential progression? Enter A or E. We'll start with A. Right, here goes. That's 20%, 40%, 60%, 80, 100. Then we go on to the next one, 20, 40, 60, blah, 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 blah. Can go down again, down, down, up, 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 blah, blah, blah. Right, that's 100% on all buttons, on all LEDs. Down we go, do, 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 and then press both buttons to quit. Hurrah! Now we'll run it again. And how many increments? We'll try 3. Then we'll try exponential, E, and this time 4%, 21%, 100%. Then it goes to 4% on the next one. Do, up we go, up we go. That's now maximum brightness on all of them. Down again, up a bit, down again. Then we'll stop. And this program will also work using just one LED. All you need to do is only list the LEDs you want, and Bob's your uncle, or Brian's your uncle.